Hello everyone, I received my Apple AirPods today. So let's open it. This is AirPod Pro for $399. There is an old version called AirPods without the word Pro. This one is $150 more expensive than the older version. First I remove the plastic from here. And then I try to remove the cover to reveal the product itself. These are some paperworks, but I never read them. Please write in the comment below if you're like me. We just chuck them in the bin, I think. And this is the AirPods. It feels so good in my hands. Let me remove the plastic first so we could see inside. I think it's a perfect size, isn't it, guys? And here it comes. Very nice. It feels so light in my hand, as if I'm holding nothing. The case feels light too. It can be charged wirelessly and via wire. Let's see what else we have got here. This is the charging cable. It has a USB-C at one end and a charger connector at the other end. Let's see what else we have got here. I think this extra accessories for bigger or smaller ears. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.